Welcome back to Core English Level 1. In this lesson, we will learn how to build full sentences using simple words you already know and using who, what, where. By the end, you'll be able to join words together to make complete ideas. Let's look at some more things about a sentence. We know that a sentence is a complete idea. It always begins with a big uppercase letter, which can also be called a capital letter. And we have covered that a sentence can end with a full stop, which can also be called a period. We're going to add two other marks that can be at the end of a sentence. Just like a full stop, these marks tell us something about the sentence. A full stop, or period, shows a simple statement. She is cooking. Now two more. A question mark shows the sentence is asking something. For example, what is this? An exclamation mark shows strong feeling, surprise, excitement, or urgency. For example, stop. Period, a statement. Question mark, a question. Exclamation mark, strong feeling. Now, let's look at joining simple words to make a sentence. We already know some simple words like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We also know action words like run, eat, go, play, read. When we join them together, we can get a complete sentence. In Lesson 4, we went over using who, what, where to help determine meaning from sentences. So let's use that here as well. There are some points to learn about this too. In some sentences, it is not necessary to have where. For example, I run. This is a sentence, short but complete. Here is another point. What can include what as a thing and what as an action? For example, he kicked the ball. Who? He. What action? Kicked. What thing? The ball. Let's call the what when it refers to an action as simply action. We have then who, action, what, where. Here is another example of action. She read a book. Who? She. Action, read. What? A book. We can also add more information to describe who, action, what, and where. For example, the little children are playing. Now we have a who, children, plus a description, little. Example, I run fast. Now we have an action, run, plus a description, fast. He held the orange pen. Now we have the what, pen, plus a description, orange. They went to the cake shop. Now we have the where, shop, plus a description, cake. So now our sentences can include who, action, what, where, and descriptions. Let's look at a few sentences together and see what part the types of words play in each sentence. For example, you go. Who? You. Action. Go. He runs on the long beach. Who? He. Action. Runs. Where? On the beach. Description. Long. Here are more sentences for you to work out where the who, action, what, where, or description may occur in each sentence. The correct answers will be given after a pause for you to say yours. She yelled. Who? She. Action. Yelled. He ate the apple. Who? He. Action. Ate. What? The apple. We played a game. Who, we. Action, played. What, a game. She read an old book. Who, she. Action, read. What, a book. Description, old. They slowly walked. Who, they. Action, walked. Description, slowly. Well done. Go over these again as many times as you need to. In this lesson, you learned: a sentence is a complete idea with a capital letter at the start, and either a full stop, exclamation mark, or question mark at the end. You can build sentences with simple words you already know. Words can have different jobs in a sentence, such as being a who, action, what, where, and descriptions. In future lessons, we will look at more types of sentences and jobs that words can play in these sentences. You may have seen the various parts words play being called different names, and we will look at that too. But for now, we are learning the simplest way, by learning what the words do. Now, download your practice sheet for Lesson 5 at coreenglish.org and do the drills. Remember to practice whenever you can. In the next lesson, we'll look at the use of action words, am, is, are, the action of being. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.